What if the most popular business jet in the world is secretly the smartest financial move you can make in 2026, or the most expensive mistake you'll ever sign a check for? That jet is the Embraer Phenom 300E, 9 straight years, the most delivered business jet on the planet, and right now, 700 of them are cutting through American skies. A brand new one will cost you $11.1 million in 2026, but that purchase price? Almost the least important number in this entire conversation. What actually separates a brilliant acquisition from a slow financial drain is what this aircraft costs to own, operate, and keep flying every single year after that check clears. And today, we're breaking every dollar wide open. Before we get into the money, let's establish exactly what you are buying. The Phenom 300E is a light jet built by Embraer in Brazil, certified under FAA regulations, and powered by two Pratt and Whitney Canada PW535E1 turbofan engines producing 3,478 pounds of thrust each. It carries up to 8 passengers, cruises at 453 knots true airspeed, and climbs to a service ceiling of 45,000 feet, well above commercial traffic and most weather systems. Maximum range under NBA IFR conditions with 4 passengers is 2,010 nautical miles, which covers most major U.S. city pairs nonstop with room to spare. The cockpit runs the Garmin G3000 avionics suite, 3 14-inch high-definition touchscreens, synthetic vision, WAAS GPS precision approach capability, and full ADS-B out compliance. It is the current benchmark in light jet avionics, and it matters operationally. WAAS precision approaches open up hundreds of smaller U.S. regional airports that older avionics architectures simply cannot serve efficiently. And critically, this aircraft holds single-pilot FAA certification under Part 61. One qualified captain. That certification is not just an operational detail. It is a financial lever, and we are going to pull it hard in the next segment. Here is the number the sales consultant will never put on a slide. Your all-in annual operating cost for this aircraft at 400 flight hours per year, a standard benchmark for a corporate flight department, runs between $1.9 and $2.3 million. Let me build that precisely. Annual insurance for a U.S.-based owner with clean loss history runs $65,000 to $90,000. Hangar at a major metropolitan FBO averages $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Engine reserve contributions, non-negotiable for financial predictability, run $200 to $280 per flight hour. Fuel burns roughly 180 gallons of Jet A per hour at cruise, which at current U.S. average prices puts you at around $1,100 per hour in fuel alone. Factor in maintenance, labor, and consumables, and your variable cost lands at $2,700 to $3,000 per flight hour across the board. Now here is where the Phenom 300E does something no brochure will highlight prominently enough. That single-pilot FAA certification eliminates the need for a second crew member, and a fully qualified corporate captain commands $180,000 to $280,000 in annual salary, before benefits, before recurrency training, before scheduling complexity. Remove that seat, and over a 5-year ownership cycle you are looking at over $1 million in cost avoidance. The aircraft is quietly paying you back through what it does not require you to spend. On top of that, if you are a U.S. business owner running this jet for legitimate business purposes, Section 179 and bonus depreciation provisions may allow you to take a significant first-year deduction on the acquisition cost. The after-tax price of an $11 million aircraft can look dramatically different on paper. That conversation needs to happen with a qualified aviation tax attorney before you sign anything. But the math is worth one phone call. Every serious buyer at this level runs the same comparison. Phenom 300E or Cessna Citation CJ4 Gen 2. Here it is straight. The CJ4 Gen 2 lists at $9.8 million, $1.3 million less than the Phenom, and it has a marginal range advantage of 155 nautical miles. Those are real numbers, but set them against the full picture. The Phenom carries a wider cabin, runs the more current Garmin G3000 avionics against the CJ4's Collins Pro Line 21, posts a lower all-in operating cost per flight hour, holds stronger pre-owned residual values backed by a larger installed base. And in early 2026, its delivery backlog sits at 12 to 14 months versus 18 to 24 for the CJ4. If your priorities are operating economics, avionics modernity, and resale depth over a 5-year hold, the Phenom wins that comparison on the data, not on brand loyalty. The broader picture for 2026 makes the case even cleaner. U.S. business aviation is tracking 8 to 10% demand growth year over year, and the light jet segment sits at the center of that expansion. The Phenom 300E is not trying to compete with a Gulfstream. It is trying to be the most efficient, most financially defensible light jet in the American market, and right now, the numbers say it is doing exactly that. For the owner flying 300 to 500 hours a year, running single-pilot operations, and optimizing total cost of ownership over a multi-year hold, this aircraft in 2026 is the most rational buy in its class, at $11.1 million. Would you pull the trigger on the Phenom 300E, or does the Gulfstream G280 at double the price justify the step up for your mission profile? Drop your answer in the comments and tell me why. Subscribe to Private Aviation Hub for a full ownership breakdown every week. I'll see you on the next one.